everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I have a little bit different of a bra tutorial, and that is demystifying sister sizes. Now I'm sure you've all heard the term sister sizes before, but how could that really help me make a bra? Well, sister sizes are a very powerful tool that you can use to really expand the potential of your bra pattern. You're not limited to that small little set of numbers that's printed on the envelope. You can actually get a lot more out of each pattern you purchase, and today I'm going to show you how to do that.
So here we have a picture of the Harriet bra chart. So this pattern runs from a 28 to a 42 band and cup sizes A through H. So all of these sizes that I've highlighted in yellow are included in the pattern. Just because those are the sizes that are included in the pattern, we're also able to get some additional sizes. So anything I have here highlighted in green, we can also pull from that same pattern. So as long as the pattern includes your wire size, so let's say you're 56 wire, you can make any of these sizes. The pattern, however, does not include a 62 wire, right? Because we stop, this is the largest size that it has, which is a 42H. So unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to make any of these sizes using the pattern, but it still allows you to be able to sort of double the amount of sizes that you can get out of the single pattern. So how have I gone and continued this chart? Well, the chart moves in a very predictable pattern. So we have band sizes up here. So band sizes always increase by 2, so 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, etc. So if we have band size 42, everything in this column is going to be a 42 band. Everything in the 40 column is going to be a 40 band. So that's how you can continue those numbers over. And then when it comes to cup sizes, the cups are going to move diagonally. So you have an A here. We want to move down and over 1, there's your next A. Down and over 1, there's your next A. Down and over 1. So here's going to be all of my A's, all of my B's, all of my C's, D's, double D's, etc. So you want to continue filling out the chart like that until you have all of these other numbers filled in. But let's say, for instance, you wanted to make a 46E. So what you're going to do is just look at that line. Right, here we have a 46E. Now a 46E would typically use a 54 wire. So any of these sizes are going to have the same cup volume. So we have a 46E that we want to make. So we just slide on over to the first yellow number and we have 42FF. So I'm going to go to my pattern and I'm going to print out a 42FF. That's going to give me the correct cups and also the cradle that we need. So that frame where the cups are going to sit in. Now that we know which cup size we want to use, we have to extend our band piece. So in this example, the difference between a 42 and a 46 is 2 band sizes, 1, 2. Now just because it's 2 band sizes, a lot of people instantly think, oh, I need to add 4 inches. And that's not the case. Because we're working with stretch materials, you don't want to add the full 4 inches. Orange Lingerie has provided a chart, and I will link that in the description box below. And you can see that if we want to increase our band by 2 sizes, what we need to add is 1 3/4 of an inch. You're going to take your piece and slash it down the center and then add that 1 3/4 of an inch into the middle. You're going to have this piece used twice, so it's going to be mirrored, right? 1 on each side of your body, and that ends up adding an extra 3.5 inches and not 4. That's all you need to do to extend your pattern piece to accommodate a larger sized band. One other thing I'd like to mention about sister sizing. We've talked about its ability to expand your potential to make bras that are bigger than what you had thought was available. But you can also use it to make bras that are smaller than what's available. I've put in this little stair-step line here, and for the Harriet bra pattern, that line demarks the difference between the small size set and the large size set.
I see a lot of people complaining in the forums that pattern makers don't do overlapping between the two sets. And the reason that they don't do it is because that's already fundamentally built into the pattern. So for instance, you bought the small size set, and let's say you thought you were a 38E, but it turns out you're a little bit bigger than you thought, and you need a 38F. And you think, oh no, well that's in the other size set. It is, but all you have to do is just slide over to see which one is available to you. In this case, the 40E is available to you. You can print out the cups for this one and then shorten your band to get your 38F. So you can see that even though there's no overlap listed in the pattern sizes on the envelope, you still have quite a bit of overlap. So you bought the small size set, you can still make all of these patterns up here, even though it's not included in your size set. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Take care.